Number 6. The smallest planet, Kepler 37b. A team of Danish astrophysicists has made what may well be a sensational discovery. They have found the smallest planet that has ever been observed in orbit around a star other than our Sun, with a radius of only 0.3 times that of the Earth. The planet orbits its host star once every 13 days. The planet Kepler 37b is a sub-Earth, an exoplanet with a radius and mass smaller than Earth. Its surface temperature is 700 degrees Kelvin, or 427 degrees Celsius, or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of this, it is not expected to have an atmosphere. Its diameter is approximately 3,900 kilometers, or 2,400 miles, about a little larger than our moon. This means that we could circle around the entire planet in less than 4 hours. Due to its small size, it is very likely Kepler 37b is a rocky planet with a solid surface. Furthermore, it is too hot to support liquid water on its surface. Number 5. The loneliest planet, HD 106906b. This charming planet hangs out in the Crux constellation, approximately 300 light-years from the Earth. Over 11 times bigger than Jupiter, this Super Jupiter-class planet is a discovery that confounds modern astronomers. Despite its immense size, the planet orbits its star at a distance 20 times greater than the space between the Sun and Neptune, which is about 60 billion miles, or 97 billion kilometers, making it one of the loneliest known planets in the universe. Astrophysicists marvel at the outcast because Jupiter-style planets typically need to be closer to their star to gather enough raw material to form. Other hypothesis, that HD 106906b is a failed star, would challenge binary star theory because the loneliest planet is considered too small for binary formations. Number 4. HAT-P1 is a planet bigger than Jupiter and floats on water. A recent discovery by the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, HAT-P1 is a gas giant half the size of Jupiter that weighs roughly the same as a ball of cork. Compared to the planets in our own solar system, HAT-P1b is a big and fluffy lightweight. This incredibly odd planet has caused an uproar in the halls of academic astronomy because it's classified as a hot Jupiter planet that's nearly 25% larger than models estimate. The controversy has astrophysicists scrambling to find a reason why the planet has swelled beyond the established norm. In the distant future, perhaps humanity will be capable of transporting a swimming pool half the size of Jupiter 450 light-years away in order to test how well the planet floats on water. Number 3. The planet worth $26.9 nonillion. 55 Cancri E. A super-Earth class planet that's roughly twice the size of Earth with temperatures that reach 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. 55 Cancri E was discovered in 2004. After years of observation, astronomers believe that this big, rocky planet is made mostly of carbon and turned into diamond and graphite. According to the current market value of diamond, this would make 55 Cancri E worth a total of $26.9 nonillion, which is about 384 quintillion times more than the Earth's paltry GDP of around 74 trillion US dollars. According to Forbes, only 0.182% of 55 Cancri E would need to be mined in order to pay back the total debt of all the governments in the world, which hovers close to around 50 trillion US dollars. Investors should know that this potential mining project is only 40 light-years away and shrouded in scientific controversy. Number 2. Planet with the most rings. Planet J1407b. Discovered in 2012 with its data only recently compiled and submitted for publication, this planet is located 400 light-years from Earth and boasts a system of planetary rings that are 200 times bigger than the ones orbiting Saturn. The Saturnian ring system of J1407b is so large that if Saturn had a ring system of similar size, it would dominate the Earth's sky and appear much larger than the full moon. Scientists have observed gaps in the ring systems, leading them to believe that these gaps represent exomoons orbiting this exoplanet. This ring system is so large that astronomers observed a 56-day eclipse of the star that J1407b orbits. Coming in at number 1 is the oldest planet known to man. Planet PSR B1620-26b. Nicknamed Methuselah for biblical reasons, is the oldest exoplanet found to date at 13 billion years old, possibly the oldest ever considering the universe itself is only a little older at 13.7 billion years old. It was found deep inside the core of what is called a globular cluster of stars, which are composed of very first stars that were formed right after the Big Bang. And based on our knowledge of planet formation, planets are born soon after their parent star. So if the exoplanet star is really old, then the planet itself must be really old as well. It was confirmed to be a planet only in 2003, which is good news for planet hunters, because if planets can be readily formed as quickly as stars just after the Big Bang, then they must be as common too. Which planet would you want to go visit first? Comment below, and also remember to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting and amazing videos.